Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Traci, Shannon, and myself. This is February wrap-up video. These are the papers I have left over from my February kit. As you can see, I have no 12 by 12 sheets left over, but I have a lot of scraps. I mentioned this in a video not too long ago that in March I think I need to make it a priority to use nothing but scraps on my layout because I work in a tiny space. So you think of tiny homes. Well, mine's a tiny space, and I will not allow it to overflow into other rooms, so I just limit myself. So here is all I can keep as far as scraps in my stash, which is getting full already. I mean, it is 80% full. Now I'm going to add this. It is 100% full. So I think March, even though there's new collections, and that's my birthday month for spending anyway, but my products won't come in until April, so I think it is going to be scrap those scraps. Yep, so that's what that's going to be. I am going to work out of here and just use solid cardstock as my base, because when you're working with scraps you have to have a solid background, because I do not want to cut in. Well, you don't, let me rephrase that. You do not have to have a solid background. I love pattern paper as my background, but in order for me to use these scraps, because I love pattern paper, I need to fill up my solid paper with these scraps. So I'll probably just use my Close to My Heart Daisy white cardstock. So that's what was left over from my papers. Okay, from my embellishments. Here, let's see this. You can't see this too well. I know I wasn't going to use all this up, but I am showing you that I did use some. I did use quite a few of these fabric type stickers from Pink Fresh Studios travel collection and some of the ephemera in here. So I didn't use very many off, only a couple stickers from that side, but for whatever reason a lot of the stickers from this side went with the layouts I created. Clear sticker sheet, which I picked this up from Hobby Lobby's. I used another banner and I used some clear stickers. This surprised me. I thought I would have used more of the chipboard pieces, but I did not. I used 1, 2, 3, so I think I used 2 on one layout and 1 on another layout, and that was it. So this will go back into my stash because, I mean, that's a lot there. And then you remember I had that scrap that I told you I really was in the mood for watercoloring. I got them fussy cutted, but I didn't use them. So they will go back into my stash. And it looks like I have a lot left over, but I didn't use a whole lot of flowers. And the one layout I did, I'm not going to lie, I had to go into my stash to get the right color. So that's what's there. I'm just going to make a mess because this all has to get put back by color order anyway, because I start afresh when I create my new kit. So yeah, I guess I didn't, that's just a vellum piece. That doesn't count. I did stamp a word and didn't use it, but I could use it on another. I don't think I used any of the butterflies. I did use wood veneer, but I have a few here left. And so anyway, so that's what I got left there. So that's a big mess, right? So when you see my layout, you're going to tell that I used a lot of embellishment. So even though there's, it looks like a lot there that's left over, I did use quite a bit. All right, and some glasses. So we will scoot that aside. I'll just pick it up because I'm going to, off camera, sort all that back into my color bin. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I separate by color. So there's my orange one. My pink is kind of full, but I've got ribbon in here. I'll put ribbon and washi tape in there so it's handy. So I will sort those by colors and put them in the appropriate color bin. For now, we're going to move it out of the way. And now let's look at the layouts I created. All right. If you want to see the process of these layouts, you'll need to go back to the videos. Each one of them, of course, have a video. So my kit reveal was posted February 3rd. Layout number 1 was posted February 10th. And I used this sketch from Blueprints number 118 and 3 photographs. There it is right there. Yay, I love, you know what? It's going to be hard to pick a favorite from the 3, but I'll see if I can do that for you. So here's that clear sticker banner right here. And then I've used some washi tape. There's the chipboard piece right there. And of course, here are those vellum pieces that are from Close to My Heart. So I put those all right there. And there's the clear piece that I backed on Daisy White cardstock. All these pieces right here are clear pieces. And then this is that chipboard from Jane Hatfield. There is a wood veneer that I painted, and then a little scissor charm. And this is me, this is Traci, and that is Becky. All 3 of us from Mini Kit Monday Ladies. We had a little scrappy weekend in South Carolina along with some other friends, and this is Terry. I know you can't see her too well, but she was there. And then we had Fran and Lori sitting there. So there were 6 of us. There were to be 8. Miranda Weber did make it up for a few hours, but Amy could not. And this was the staircase going up into the bedrooms upstairs. This place could house evenly. It was a huge house, 12 people. So it could house 12 people comfortably. And then you have this whole area for scrapbooking. That's layout number 1. Layout number 2 was posted February 17th. I used the Sketchabilities Sketch 111. Love how this layout turned out. And there's the chipboard piece. There's those vellum hearts that I fussy cut out. I brought in a puffy sticker. I had this heart pen that used to be the crave about 10 years ago, using pens on your layouts. They would make them like in wood banners and so forth. So anyway, that was my last one that I'm aware of that's in my stash. And just no original title, just Happy New Year 2019. This wood veneer love that I painted in pink. I have a charm here, Love This Life. Tie in the black here, in the white, and then a wood veneer arrow right there. Lots of splatters, lots of stencil work on this layout. Really like how that one came out. This layout was posted, layout number 3, February 24th. So this was the sketch that I was scrap lifting, and it is Crafty Templates, and I cannot read the name because this is like black on gray print right there. All right, this one doesn't look, this layout's not going to look anything like this sketch other than I have a representation of this heart. Boom! Instead of hearts over here, I did these puzzle pieces that I cut from the Cricut machine. This is a favorite too. Even though this is really busy right in here, but that's okay because it's a layering piece. It has the same title, Lunchtime, as these. So it's just pulling out and adding dimension to the layout. So that's layout number 3, posted February 24th. Layout number 2, posted February 10th. Layout number 1, posted February 10th. I'm sorry, layout number 1, February 10th. Layout number 2, February 17th. All right, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Be sure to check out the other ladies' links listed below and go see what they created. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up. That brings traffic to our channel, which encourages us to continue to do these videos to make sure that we're inspiring you. Share our channel to anyone else that does scrapbooking or card making or mixed media. They will get ideas and inspiration from our channels. Also, we have a Facebook group site, and I have the link listed below. So if you would like to play along in the month of March, because it's too late for February, or the month of March moving forward, all you need to do is put your kit together once we reveal the inspiration piece, snap a photograph, upload it to that month's album, so next month will be March, and then create a layout once a week, upload your layout, and you will be entered in to possibly win either a curated kit from one of the Mini Kit Monday ladies that's hosting for that month, or a gift card. Who doesn't want some free products, right? I would. So come on over, all right? And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost at 900, or Facebook subscribers. We're almost at 900. So come help us get to 1,000. We would love to get to 1,000 by the end of March, because that is our anniversary month of having our Facebook channel for 1 year. So come on, come support us. All right, have a fabulous day. Don't forget to click the bell button so you'll receive notification every time I post. All right, until next time, have a fabulous day. Bye.